My detox pads wipe away the visible signs of aging with this essential daily cleansing, exfoliating, firming, and anti-aging treatment pad that is clinically proven to cleanse skin 108% better than cleanser, a perfect addition to any skincare routine. Skin will appear firmer and smoother with the revived Radiance glow. It's formulated with witch hazel extract, a non-irritating skin conditioner known for its astringent skin clearing, softening, and soothing properties. Salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid that exfoliates dead skin cells, treats acne breakouts, reduces inflammation, and improves overall skin texture. Glycolic acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid that works to exfoliate pore-clogging dead skin cells and helps retexturize, brighten, and refresh lackluster skin. Lactic acid, another alpha-hydroxy acid that hydrates, gently exfoliates, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improves overall skin tone and texture. And ectoin, a naturally occurring molecule that helps protect skin cells from environmental and UV damage, reduces inflammation, improves skin barrier function, and maintains balanced hydration.